How to turn off and leave Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. From here, tap on Bixby, then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on leave Bixby. Here it will give you some information what happened when you leave Bixby. After that, we go down to the bottom and tap on the leave Bixby button. Here say all Bixby related personal data will be permanently deleted from your Samsung account. Bixby will be disabled on all of the devices connected to your Samsung account. Tap on OK to go ahead. Now put in your account password. Then tap on the OK button once you put in the password, and Bixby will now be removed. And here say deleted requested. Your request was successfully registered. Bixby will be no longer available. Tap on OK to finished. And that's it. If you want to register for Bixby again, you need to wait. So here if I tap on Bixby, here you say that you're in the process of leaving Bixby. So until the request has been processed, you cannot use Bixby again. Now that this may be a few hours or it could be a few days. So you say it can take up to a week. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.